Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add Google Ads conversion tracking to Wix. Here's what you have to do. First, you need to log into your Wix account, and then from the left hand side we want to click on settings. Now from here, what we want to do is use the search bar to search for marketing. So you want to search for marketing, and then you will click on marketing integrations. Now it's going to show us a bunch of different apps such as Google Tag, Metapixel, Google Tag Manager. So it's going to tell us that Google Analytics is now Google Tag, and that's going to include Google Analytics, Google Ads conversions, and other Google products. So you want to connect here. So you will click on connect, and this is how it's going to work. First, you will need to set up a Google Tag ID. You can follow these instructions. Then you will add your Google Tag ID. Add additional destinations, which is optional, and also you can activate advanced consent mode. But basically the most important part is finding your Google Tag ID, which you can find it here, and you will just add it as long as you have premium, and you can save it, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.